Hello, this short video explains how to safely use Bubble-PAPR. First, we need to wash our hands. Depending on where you work, the bubble will be stored in various different locations. The trays will be cleaned regularly and stickers will indicate that the bubble's been cleaned recently. If any doubt, clean again, as per your local infection control policy. Check the bubble for any signs of damage. It's important to check the expiry date on the bubble itself and also on the filter. The filter and the yolk should be together all of the time. The filter has a cover which should not be removed. The bubble needs a USB battery pack to work. Check that the pack is clean and that it is fully charged. Check that there's a spare battery pack available. When you connect the battery, the motor and flow will start and the indicator will turn green. You can check the function of the flow meter by including the air inlet. The indicator turns red. Flow can also be checked by placing the flow meter into the outlet. When the fan is running, the ball will rise into the green zone, indicating flow is appropriate. Next, check the PVC disposable hood. The hood has an opening that fits over the filter. It has two straps for tying the cape underneath your neck. And it has a perforation which is used for doffing. Check that the perforation hasn't been damaged in transit or in opening the hood. The hood also has an optical pane which should be clear and free from creases.